Bring up the duty ceremony. All graduates are requested to please stand together with your parents.
The ring up and holy ceremony symbolizes the unveiling of another chapter of each of our graduates as they finish their journey in their college education. They are ready to conquer the world. As you can see, the parents or guardian put the boot to their graduates, soon to be graduates. This is indeed a proud moment of everyone, right, Sir Nox?
I think everyone has experience at Midway Graduate College, and the feelings and emotions were surreal. Once again, congratulations to our graduates, batch 2023-2024.
We all deserve a big round of applause. Congratulations.
You can all take your seats.
Thank you, Ma.
This time we'll be hearing a graduation message and will be more inspired about this ceremony. We will be hearing a message from our guest speaker, Dr. Rulina S. Trevillio, the Education Supervisor 2 of the Commission on Higher Education. Let's give her a big round of applause.